Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus. Even if you do not have the PIN code, this will bypass the passcode from the screen lock and it will remove it, but it will also wipe everything else off the phone, all your photos, apps, contacts, etc. But if you're okay doing that, we can go ahead and get started. It's quite easy. With your phone being turned off, you're just going to press and hold the power and volume up buttons simultaneously. And you're going to hold it until the Samsung Galaxy logo appears on the screen, at which point you can let go of the buttons, and it will load up into this recovery mode. From there, we can use the volume buttons to toggle through these menu options, and we want to highlight Wipe Data Factory Reset and hit the power button to select it. Then that will open up this confirmation screen. We'll toggle down to the factory data reset and hit power to select the factory data reset. Keeping in mind, once you hit that power button here, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off of your phone. Then once you do that, it'll go through a little wiping process, and then you can click to reboot the system, and the phone will turn off and then turn on like it did the day it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching.